Have you ever wondered how far the night sky above us truly stretches? When we gaze at the stars, those tiny lights are actually messages from millions or even billions of years ago. Humans have looked up at the sky for over 1 million years. Yet even today, we cannot fully answer one of the simplest questions. How big is the universe? Let's begin with Earth. If Earth were the size of a marble, the Sun would be the size of a basketball, and the distance between them would stretch across a football field. At the edge of the solar system, Pluto takes nearly 248 years just to complete one orbit. But when we step outside our solar system, we realize that the Sun and its planets are nothing more than a speck of dust within the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light-years across. That means even if you traveled at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to go from one end to the other. Along the way, you'd pass roughly 400 billion stars. Our neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, is like a massive city of its own. And in about 4.5 billion years, it will collide with the Milky Way to form a brand new galaxy. The Milky Way is not alone. It belongs to a neighborhood called the Local Group, made up of dozens of galaxies. So, what about larger scales? With the help of the Hubble telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity has seen deeper into space than ever before. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across. In other words, the light from the farthest galaxies we can detect has been traveling for over 13 billion years. Only now reaching our eyes. This means that when we see them, we are looking back at the childhood of the universe. But even then, what we see is only the surface. Scientists discovered that less than 5% of the universe is made up of matter we know, stars, planets, and gas. The rest is dominated by invisible dark matter and mysterious dark energy. Dark energy is driving the accelerated expansion of the universe, which means the universe is still getting bigger. In other words, the edge of the universe is always moving away. A bolder idea suggests that our universe might not be the only one. Some theories claim the universe is just one bubble in a vast multiverse. If true, then the 93 billion light-year span we see is just a local view inside one bubble. In countless parallel universes, there may be entirely different physical laws or even another version of you. So, how big is the universe? The answer is bigger than we can ever imagine and still expanding. Perhaps we will never reach its edge, but that doesn't matter, because the vastness of the cosmos reminds us. Within this infinite ocean of stars, Earth is a fragile, precious blue gem, and we are the beings capable of looking up, asking questions and seeking meaning.